Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can let prompt space in Google Chat. Alright, open the mail.google.com/chat, and if you want to let prompt space, you can select the space you want to let and just select right here on three dot. Click and you can find a left option, just click it and click left. So the space is removed, and if you want to join again, you should ask the owner or members of the space to invite you back to the space. All right, this is super simple, but I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.